Hello friends, welcome to Tricks. Today in this video we will try to learn a trick to remember Ramsar wetland sites in India as well as some important facts related to Ramsar wetlands. Ramsar Convention held in 1971 in Iran is named after the place where it took place, that is Ramsar in Iran. It focused on three things. First, conservation of wetlands, their sustainable use, and maintaining the ecological characteristics of these internationally important wetlands. According to Ramsar Convention, the definition of wetland is areas of marsh, fen is a grassy marshland, peatland or water, whether natural or artificial. Even the wetlands which are created artificially, means by storing water, digging trenches and all, permanent or temporary, with water that is static or flowing, fresh or brackish or salt, including areas of marine water, the depth of which at low tides does not exceed 6 meters, which means water is the controlling factor in these wetlands. In most general terms, lands transitional between terrestrial and aquatic ecosystem where the water table is usually at or near the surface or the land is covered by shallow water, that is called wetland. So this is the definition given by the Ramsar Convention. However, the definition of wetlands vary regionally. And why the conservation of wetland is important? First, it helps in control of erosion. It helps in the erosion control. It breaks the tides and waves and lessen the impact of the currents and therefore help in the erosion control. Wetlands are also the biggest habitat of fisheries. They also help in flood controls as they provide a buffer area where the excess water from the river flow before flooding the adjacent areas. It also acts as groundwater recharge and discharge, as in the wetlands the water slowly seeps down into the ground and helps in the recharge of the groundwater, and at some time it also act as a discharge during the time of droughts. It act as natural filter because sediments and other chemicals settle down, leaving the fresh water into the rivers. The plants, grasses in the wetlands also act as a filter. Wetlands are also places of rare species habitat, place for recreation, a source of income, wildlife habitat, and serves educational purposes also. So these are the important aspects which requires us to conserve wetland and use them wisely. At present there are 26 wetlands spread across 15 states. We will try to make a trick for all these states, but we will do them in phase wise. We will start from the bottom, from Kerala, and then move up our way to Jammu and Kashmir. So first, starting from Kerala, we have Astamuni wetland here, Shastamkota lake, and Vembanan coal wetland. In Tamil Nadu, we have Point Calimere Wildlife and Bird Sanctuary. Astamuni wetland located in the Kollam district of Kerala, drained by two rivers, Palichal and Kallada. Pardon me for my pronunciation of these rivers and places in South India because they are pronounced differently in those areas. It is a natural backwater and National Waterway 3 passes through this wetland. Also a place for fishing harbor. Then Shastamkota Lake is also present in the Kollam district and it is the largest freshwater lake. Vembanad coal wetland is also famous for the exotic varieties of fishes. Then we have Point Calimere Wildlife and Bird Sanctuary in Tamil Nadu. Here you can find dry evergreen forest, mangroves as well as wetlands. It has one of the last remnant of dry evergreen forest. And a trick to remember these Ramsar sites, I have formed a sentence. Aishwarya needs visa to take award in California. From Aishwarya, we can relate three things. First, we know that Aishwarya, the famous Bollywood actor, is a former Miss World, one of the most beautiful women in the world. From the beauty of Aishwarya, we can relate one more thing. Which state is known as God's own place? None other than Kerala. So from beauty of Aishwarya, we can also remember our very own beautiful Kerala. And from Ash, we can also relate it to Ashtamudi. Needs visa from VE, Vembanad Coal Wetland, and from SA, Shastamkota Lake to take award. From TA, Tamil Nadu, and from California, Calimere Wildlife Sanctuary. So this is a trick for these four Ramsar wetland sites. I will be making similar tricks for rest of the states. Stay tuned. If you want me to provide more information regarding these wetland sites, please post your comments, or if you want me to simply make the trick, also post that in the comment, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.